still highly bearish in the broader context, but in the last 2 days, price has recontacted the ALMA indicator after falling onto these extension levels around the time of the number 8 Fibonacci time zone line. So we can add a Fibonacci channel with these proportions and a spiral to outline one of the more optimistic scenarios where price continues to flatten and eventually produces a bullish retracement out of the low $3 range. Though even if price eventually did break over the upper portion of the channel, the chart would still be highly bearish until at least clearing over the gap range to decisively close over 424. Then if the chart can't clear back over 322 and continues selling, especially with volume over 20 million, there can eventually be another bearish continuation that can slide along the lower half of the Fibonacci channel. Next, McDonald's stock, which centers around this recent descending triangle completion to take price to a deeper retracement. This bearish continuation pattern can be the basis for the rest of the Fibonacci tools used here, which you can find more information on in the hundreds of tutorials I've already uploaded, including topics other than Fibonacci, such as indicators and patterns. Resistance in the upper 270s to low 280s at the bottom of the triangle can remain especially strong until the next time zone interval, while support is only potentially stronger around 262 and 255, where they meet the outer arcs.